Bearish divergence right away. Right away. What's going on, Just? Morning, Simon. It's been a good morning. Everything's going up. BNB. BNB going up. Good for Rue. Yeah, what's up, Kieran? I hope to be a Kangaroo King today. Haven't even really looked at the charts besides crypto. I'm trying to get other stuff ready. Hey, what's up, Muhammad? Good morning, DJ Blessed. What's up, Keith and Mr. Master? Hey, good morning, Aaron and Mo Ali. Yesterday, my $1,000 trade would have hit. Today, I'm wearing the gold Kangaroo for the first time. We got the gold Kangaroo on. Feeling pretty good. We're wearing $10,000 of gold this morning. Let's fucking go. I never liked gold before, but gold is nice. I tell you what, when you get a big trade, $20,000 or $30,000, get yourself a nice symbolic gold chain. Hey, good morning, Amanda. Yeah, this Kangaroo has a diamond, holding a diamond. Yesterday we were up 750. We were up 750, but we got nothing out of it. We're actually gonna review that real quick. I'm gonna tell you guys, never set break even, do not trail anything ever again in your fucking life. Look here on the 5 minute. Okay, this is when price reversed. My original stops are above here. Yeah, we hit. Would have hit. Would have hit. Oh, this has happened to me 3 times this year. We're not going to trail. We're not going to break even. Break even and trailing is suicide. It's diamond hands. Diamond hands. When you enter a trade, it's set in stone. You cannot change your mind. No, I'm trading the 1 minute. We're going to be ready today, though. Yeah, I mean, that tail, too, shit. At least when I enter a trade, I can constantly feel... I can feel the weight of the Kangaroo. Damn, motherfucker, do not close. Make your money. Damn, my smoothie. Smoothie's pretty good. Today I'm starting the morning off with some half cup of oats with a cup of coconut milk and some frozen berries. Oh, that was suicide. Even with the scales mouse, it closed all. Alright, what's going on here? Some crazy movement right away, though. I'm not in any trades. Not in any trades yet. I'm gonna work on being a lot healthier this year. So we got smoothie here. We got one of the world's best multivitamins here, and we got one of the best mineral supplements right here. So yeah, if it can go any closer, zoom in though. Let's see. Whoa, the fuck happened there? Let's see if I can get it. Nah, the focus is all messed up. Yeah, that was too close. Click the wrong button there. Oh my god, it's doing it again. Back the fuck off. Shit. Yo, what the fuck is up with this shit? It just keeps madly zooming in. We're having some technical malfunctions. Let me see, is that it? Look at my Instagram. I posted a story on that. Well, let's get back to this shit. $10K, yep. I can finally do a video. Crypto trading bought me a kangaroo. What's up with the massive drop? Is there... Interesting. B&B making a Kangaroo Tail. You guys will start seeing me look at B&B a lot, since it is tied to Rucoin. And on Sage FX, we can trade B&B with 1-to-100 leverage. But you know, it's funny. A couple days ago, I marked this up when B&B was down here, just for the calculator, seeing for fun. So I put $1,000 risk, 2,000 TP. I didn't pull the trigger. I had a feeling something was gonna happen like that, but I had never risked $1,000 in a trade before. So obviously I'm not gonna do it right there. Oh my god, I think we're gonna dump today. Look at this sexy divergence right here. We got some divergence popping. I think we're gonna drop down here. I think we're gonna go down. I don't believe the bottoms are in yet. That would be a nice trade. I mean, I wouldn't want to enter like that. I want better risk reward on that. So we're bearish on the hourly. We're definitely bearish on the 15-minute. Definitely. So I think I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna wait for some kind of retest. Maybe some kind of W. We might have W action and then be able to sell up here. Or it could just keep tanking, but yeah, would it just tank now? I mean, I'm leaning to more it's gonna retest a little bit up. Yeah, I'd rather wait for it to go up a little bit. Now, in doing so, though, you know what I'll do? I can enter a mini. Okay, I think I'll enter a mini contract. That way, yeah. That way, I can enter on the hourly and still probably go for 100. Let's see, 100. Show lines. Where's my lines at? Where's my lines at? Oh, my calculator's way up here. So I'm gonna go ahead and enter a mini contract wherever that risk is at. I would like to go a little bit up here, but look here, guys. This calculator is badass for, you know, if you're trading some minis, you can get more fine-tuned on your lot size. So if I wanna, I'll probably do like 0.63. So many, I gotta do 60 micros. Alright, just put 60 micros on. So I have flashbacks of that $840 that I had. This is exactly what I did. I put in a mini and then I waited for a retest to enter a bigger entry. So I'm gonna do the same thing this morning. Put my $100 stop well above the zone. Now I'm gonna switch over to regular contracts, and we're gonna wait for the main big entry. So why did I enter the sell? Because of hourly bearish divergence, 15-minute divergence, major zone. I'm feeling today. I think today's going to be a good morning. Now you will get a little bit of bigger commission. I'm working on Sage FX to get some different contract sizes in. Specifically 10. 10 contracts is the sweet spot. Because as you see here, that commission is fucking huge. It is absolutely huge on the mini contract. No, Solon. I do not sell signals. My signals are right here. Right here. Well, son of a bitch. It might actually just tank from here. So I think my next plan is, if we keep going down, I'm going to wait for some kind of trend line to develop. Could come back to yesterday's open, actually, 14,222. Yeah, you can use Sage FX in Europe. Sign up for Sage and you will get the indicator. They called a $27,000 trade. Check this out, yo. Kangaroo Divergence. What's on the bottom there? What's on the bottom there? Kangaroo Tail with Divergence. And that shit went to the moon. Oh my god, look at this dump on that 15-minute, how that looks. For some reason, my force index is on the chart. Don't know how that happened. See, I feel FOMO right now of not having my bigger entry in. I mean, obviously I'm in a little bit of profit with the mini, but I would have liked it to see it. I would have liked it to go up and then find an entry. Wherever this trend line is gonna bounce. That might be a king. Okay, there's no divergence there. In about a month, I'm going to have a new stream schedule. We're going to be streaming from 6:30 a.m. to 1 o'clock in the afternoon until the market closes. I bought a $2,300 GPU yesterday. So my total computer build is going to be close to $4,100. Top of the line GPU. I already got the top of the line CPU right here. Right here. A Ryzen 9 5950X, yo. $750 just for this, just for the CPU alone. I mean, just the CPU is worth more than most laptops. And then when you throw in a $2,300 GPU, just the GPU and CPU is $3,000 machine. But that's, I mean, I didn't want to pay that much money, but I gotta level my streams up. We're gonna go for 6-hour streams. I'm not gonna be trading all 6 hours. I will be playing some, we'll call it intermission. I'll be playing Call of Duty, get some downtime off. So basically after we do our trades, or if I'm in an entry, I'm gonna instantly start playing some Call of Duty. But we're gonna keep charts up. It's gonna be pretty legit. Huge gem on that 5 minute. Oh shit. Oh, there's the bump up. We just need a wick though, so we can get our first trend line in. Wait a minute, what do we got going? Hey, was this candle a kangaroo for any of you? Yep, Reginald. Could be good. Hey, let me know if any of you are not using Sage FX. Let me know if this candle was a bullish Kangaroo Tail. I'm pretty sure it was on a couple other brokers. Let's see some different data sets on TradingView. Okay, let's try NAS100. Let's see if any of these brokers called a Kangaroo Tail on that officially. Black Bull. Okay. Let's see if any others did call out. Upperstone? No. Yeah, I'll enter another sell there. That might be the second trendline point. So I did enter. Now, let's just hope that is a turnaround point for the trendline. So we got 2 positions in. I'm risking 60 on this. Followed by another bullish Kangaroo Tail though. That's interesting. You better not close as a bullish Kangaroo Tail. 5 seconds. It's close. 4 seconds. Do not close. Oh shit. That's awfully close to a bullish Kangaroo Tail. Not the best candle we want to see right when we enter our sell. I'm risking 60. Do I want to dump in more right here or a smaller one? We're about to be eaten up. Oh well, I lost 64 there. I do not think that was a bad entry at all. I was bearish and I got another bearish confluence, so boom. But I may have, okay, if the indicator did fire off, I may have entered down here, but I was bearish. You know what we need to look at? We need to look at the daily real quick. The daily and compare it to the Corona crash. So let's go with the daily. We might get a clue here. But where was the Corona crash at? Right here. So if we look at this, that was a 31% drop and it consolidated for how many days? It consolidated for about a good month. Yeah, a good month of trading. And then the rally continued. So, if we look here, how much did we actually drop? Okay, we dropped 17%, so second biggest crash since COVID. We get a Kangaroo Tail, goes back down, now we go back up. Do we actually break out of the zone already? It's almost to the open retest too. Right here, Ed, the root calc. The root calc. You look here in the left-hand corner. As I move this, lot size changes. For a better example, let me do the minis. So here, okay, whatever risk you want, you can do dollar amount or risk. Let's say you want to risk 50 because you don't want to risk 100. Well, look at this. As I drag this, I mean, it's gonna tell you the exact lot size to use. And depending where price is, this is automatically gonna change. So it's very, very helpful. But I'll show you guys a prototype I'm doing. I'm gonna make the calculator way better. Way better. Check this shit out. Okay, where's it at? Downloads, documents. Where the fuck did I put it? Where did I put it? It was pretty cool. Let me find the layout. I saved it somewhere and I can't find it now. Yeah, Tony, I agree. That's why I talked to Sage and we're gonna try to get 10 contracts on. But yeah, I agree. I definitely agree. Mr. Omar is in that fucking house. Let's go. Dude, you came in at the right time because the Rue spirit is here right here. Right here. This is how my fucking calculator is gonna work. Oops. So it's gonna look like this. We're gonna have account balance. Have all this on one thing, and you know, like the current one, I mean, there's different pages, but I'm like, shit, I need to make it easier. And we're gonna have a nice button here. Click, it will tell us if we're selling or buying. We click the money button, that's a sign to enter. So when people push the money button, wherever this position size is, it'll automatically do it. If you want to do a sell, you'll click sell first, then click the money button. If you want to do a buy, you click buy first, then click the money button. And you always take this advice. Rue's tip, maintain diamond hands at all times. All times. By the way, Tony, I'll show Sage your message. I will show them your message. So, and by the way, okay, I will sell this calculator for like $40, but it's going to be free for anybody who makes Sage FX accounts. So, gonna be pretty cool. Gonna be pretty cool. Never stop innovating. Yep, Omar, let's hear it. Super Bus Boy. Tell the audience the future of Rue. Yeah, you wanted 1 ounce of gold bar when you thought I was going to be a gold guru. Okay, when you have a $20,000 trade, I want you to buy a custom Kangaroo. Custom Kangaroo. Alright, I think I'm looking for a sell soon. Now, let's go to the regular contract size. Do I want to take another shot here? I think I do. So I'm going to do what I want to do. And I'm going to go for another sell. 22, I think that's fair. Plus, if the ooh, look at this. We got some divergence too, guys. I think it is a good sell. Now, I do risk getting stopped out up here. But this divergence is pretty heavy right now. And we could be developing into an M. Yeah, gold is way too manipulated. Unfortunately. Well, if we break above here, I'm gonna have to shift to looking for buys. That may have been the fucking bottom of the markets yesterday. That may have been the bottom. Well, god damn it, this might be the time where I actually do manually close, but oh my god. No, I'm not gonna manually close. I'm gonna let that shit hit stop, because if I start doing that, I'm gonna start falling in. No. I need to get my brain used to whatever I do, I'm not gonna change my mind. If I have a stop there, I'm gonna let that shit hit. I'm not gonna close out manually. Too many times I've closed out manually. We saw it yesterday. Cost me fucking $1,000. Yep, Tony, I'll show them that message too. Hell, if anybody has a comment about the commission, type it in the chat, say why it's too big. And we'll get it changed. Well, not changed, but we'll add 10 contracts. If anybody missed the trade yesterday, I recommend going through that stream, looking at my entry, look at how much we were up, and look at the point when I manually closed. And then I realized the last the other $800 trade I had, it was close to stop loss, but I didn't touch my stop losses, and that one was a good one. Hold on, I'm gonna take a picture of your message there, Tony, about the commission, and send it to their team right now. 1 second. I'm messaging Sage FX. All right, after my stop is hit here, I'm not going to be looking for any sells anymore. I mean, if we would have... Plus, I mean, look at this. We do have an hourly bullish Kangaroo Tail. So, I do have a reason to actually enter a buy. I do have a reason. If we go... Oh, shit. How many pips is that, though? On the hourly, you see? Yeah, I can't really enter how I want to optimally because... You know, in this situation, you need a 10 contract symbol. Like, you guys can see. Well, I mean, 1,000. Okay, let's. Okay, $1,000, but no, 1,000 pips would be about right here. Yeah, right there, 1,000 pips. But you see, with 10 contracts, I would be able to get my stop here on the entry I want. I'll actually wait though. I'm not gonna enter the buy yet. Anything could still happen. Like the 49er game, when you think the game is over. I thought the 49ers lost. And then a miracle block punt happens. Trading is no different. Trading is no different. Sometimes you gotta convert on 4th down. Nah, just tell me your trading view name, and I'll get you star. Or tell me the email you signed up with. Tell me the email you signed up with. And I'll get you situated with that indicator. Aaron, within 2 to 3 hours. No, I'm not gonna revenge trade. This could still go down. It could still go down. But I don't feel like it's gonna, you know, I don't feel like it's gonna go down yet. But it could. Take a look at some Rucoin real quick. I believe, yeah, we passed 80K market cap. Fucking go. Let's fucking go. $81,000 market cap. We started at 282 on December 31st. I'll tell you how much money I've already raised for fucking charity. I'll tell you right now. 83,600,000 coins times point 32 fucking grand, yo. Like, come on, 32 grand. The spirit of Rue lives on. 32 G's, yo. 32 G's in 26 days, okay? With no funding behind us. Just a vision. Just a vision. Shit excites me, yo. This is 81K, okay. Only 81K. We still got a moon to go. Jack, you're out of the buy? This is interesting. I think it's a stop. I think at this point, I mean, we can go both ways. There's really no clear-cut signal. Maybe I'll check a 15-minute or something. Yo, I feel like, okay, I've been trading for 3 years, but I feel like when people say supply and demand, it still feels foreign to me. Like how, like, think about, okay, I'm in Bitcoin. I was in Bitcoin. For 2 years, the term DeFi sounded completely out of the ordinary for me. I didn't know what it meant. And I feel like I'm lost when people say supply and demand. I just like, shit, isn't that just like support and resistance? I just say support and resistance. I'm down about 130 right now, B-dubs. No, I'm not going to enter another sell. There's no clear-cut signal yet. Was there a divergence anywhere? Yeah, Teresa, maybe I should, I'll dive into a video. I'll watch a video about supply and demand so I can finally fully, like, I have an idea, but I don't fully understand it. B-dubs, if you want to see a good trade, I mean, it wasn't good, but we were up 750 yesterday. And I moved to break evens, I moved stops down, and I manually closed, which was a huge mistake. Huge mistake. And that cost me, and that was the difference between losing 18 yesterday and making 1,000. Like, think about that. Okay, $18 is the difference between making $1,000. Think about that. Gotcha. So supply and demand more aggressive buying and selling. Oh yeah, I have. I have seen he likes to trade NASDAQ at the open. I watched a few of his videos. He's pretty legit. He's pretty legit. I would say between me and him, you know, I wonder if he'd be down collab. I mean, since he trades NASDAQ a lot, I mean, I wonder if that dude does any live streams. I mean, I've tried to reach out to other YouTubers and collab, but it usually doesn't work out in the end. The only YouTuber I regularly talk to every day is Justin. That's all the other YouTubers, we really didn't connect. He said Sam Sidon. I've never heard of him. I'll check him out. But let's evaluate what happened. I was worried about that, so let's evaluate that entry real quick. Was that actually a good Kangaroo Tail entry? It was? Which one? It was this one right here. Was that a bad entry without hindsight? Let me know if you guys think, what does this look like a bad entry if you're bearish? So here I notice hourly bearish divergence, 15-minute bearish divergence. I was already feeling bearish, and then we get this small Kangaroo Tail. Boom. It lost though, but I don't think it was the worst trade in the world, but it wasn't the best. Another Kangaroo Tail. The zone breaks. That might be the drop, but I don't feel totally comfortable with entering another sell on that. And I don't know why, honestly. I don't know why. No, I think I know why subconsciously. I think it can come up here and retest and maybe make an M. So I don't, something about that just doesn't make me want to enter. Oh my god, look at that shit. The market just said, I don't give a fuck what you think. I'm sending that shit down. So I did miss an entry there. I don't think it would have been the best entry. I really don't. Oh my god. It's always the ones you don't think. Jay, you're saying this is a big impulse move back down? So are you saying this area would have not been support? Well, let's see on the bigger time frame. I don't know how to get my force index off of the chart here. My force index is now overlaid on my hourly. Hold up, we got a 15-minute KT. A massive M on the 15-minute, actually. So we need to pull up the 15-minute, actually. We might have an entry. I'm hoping the lot sizes are good, though, for the... Alright, let's see. Could risk about 80. Feeling a little better about the sell. Look at this big 15-minute divergence, too. $100 in... Not the best risk reward. I mean, 100. Ah, yeah, see, the contracts aren't... I can't quite get to $200 risk on two... Wait a minute, 2 micros. Yeah, see? I can't... Why we need the 10 contracts. This is something a lot of indice traders don't. They don't understand how important the contract size is for a specific time frame you may want to enter. Lie, you said we're in a range? Yo, Lie, I've been seeing your Instagram. You've been going to places. Where did you go? You were like petting a chicken or some shit, and the chicken like attacked you, La, or one of your buddies? Well, I think everybody is learning a little bit of valuable information about supply and demand out in New Orleans. Shit, man, how are those drinks out there? Look like a good time, though. Damn, I swear, this smoothie gave me a lot of energy. Half a cup of oats with that coconut milk and some frozen fruit, yo. I'm considering the move to Arizona. I'll tell you one good benefit about Arizona compared to California, okay? In California, I paid $4.40 for a gallon of milk. So I go to Instacart.com, I put in the Arizona address. You can get a fucking gallon of milk in Arizona for $1.40. I'm like, yo, no wonder why so many people are broke in California. California is a ripoff. Like, I'm seeing I can get 2 or 3 times more for my money in Arizona compared to California. I'm like, California's a fucking scam, y'all. Just because of all the extra taxes, all the extra money they give out. California is not the place to be if you want to save money. $1.40 versus $4. I even saw an $8.50 gallon of milk in California. It was organic. Given it was organic, but an organic gallon of milk was $8.49. Absolutely ridiculous. I mean, it's not ridiculous considering it's 40% inflation. But people aren't making 40% more. You think about that. They print 40% more money in 2 years. Well, how are people going to make 40% more? No, you just fucked the economy. That's why crypto one day is going to overtake gold. We're going to pass a $10 trillion market cap for crypto. True, it was either Nevada or Arizona, because both states allow you to have a pet kangaroo. Plus Arizona, I mean, you can open carry, you have freedom to buy a gun. Alright guys, this might be where I try to enter a bigger entry now. See, how many pips? About 100. I could throw 100 at this. I could throw 100 at this. Well, I'm gonna go for the sell, actually. I see a trend line. Oh, fuck, with that wick, though, there is a W. There is a W. Potential W right here, guys. If you just entered the sell with me, I'd be very, very wary about this area right now. Okay, I think this is going to be the move. I'm going to enter another sell off this trend line. I think we're going to have a starting. Let's evaluate this. It's earnwithtodd@gmail.com. earnwithtodd@gmail.com. So we'll do that. Do we got one? Do we have this coming on? Do we got one of these going on? Because if we get a move over here, I'm gonna go heavy on another sell right here. Lower lows. This is so trend line touch here. 1, 2, 1, 2. This would be third trend line touch, and I would go heavy right here. I would go heavy here. My stop for this trade though is gonna be right here. I haven't put the stop in, but oh shit, you say it's gonna go below 14,377? I hope. Let's go. Now, if we continue going down, I would be content with a $500 day today. I will not go for 1,000. Yesterday was my home run trade. Today will be a little more, you know, I will close 500. If we continue down, of course. Oh my God. Think about that move. That's huge. That is huge if it drops that far. All right, I did say if we do touch this trend line, I will be entering another trade. Give me a nice wick and I'm in. Where's your stop at, business? Is your stop below the low right here? Or just curious. Oh damn, Torino, you're going for the big home run? Let's fucking go. I do need a juicier lot size though. I mean, we're in 60 minis and only 2 regulars. By the way, guys, if you are noticing the commission on the mini, we are trying to get Stage to add another symbol for 10 contracts. Because with 10 contracts, the commission on this trade would be 48 cents as opposed to $4.80, which is a 1,000% increase. But these minis are brand new, so there haven't been enough people trading them for brokers to get enough feedback. Are the minis worth it? Yeah. Well, I was up 750. I was going for 1,000. I got a harsh rejection. No, not rejection. I mean, just went back up and retested entries. I moved stops. I closed manually. And after that, a couple hours later, I check, and sure enough, they went down to my TPs. I recommend anybody looking at that stream. You'll learn a lot. soon as you have a target for a stop loss and TP, don't go in between and don't trail it. Don't set break even. Break even is suicide. There's a reason why every fucking YouTube guru that sells signals and $500 video courses says to set break even. Why are they telling you to set break even on their trades? Because they're worried about their win rate. And that's opposite. That's opposite. You do not take advice from people who go for 0.8 Rs and tell you to set break even. Nuh-uh. When you set break even, you are going against your first original intuition. George Soros didn't decide to short the British pound and then halfway through say, oh no, I'm not going to do that. No. Someone like George Soros stuck to his intuition. If you read his book, no, I don't really like the guy, but I mean, he did pull off the biggest forex trade in history. How did he do it? He went with his gut. He went with his gut and did not change it. So what can we learn from a billionaire? Don't change your mind. If you guys don't know, George Soros shorted the pound in like 1993 for the dude made $2 billion in 24 hours. 2 bills. With the capital B. Oh, gotcha, business. You did some quick, scalps there. Gotcha. Hey, what's going on, Ricky? Jay, I like that. I like that. You said it might go lower. 13,900. We do got some bullish divergence though. We've seen the same thing happen yesterday. Bullish divergence happened after a big move, and it did trickle back up. Okay, it did trickle back up, but eventually, boom, went down. Now the problem with that is my stop for this one is going to be right here. I haven't put it in yet. Actually, I will. I finally put in my stop. That was my original stop. Now, I do not. Like, I'm hoping it's just going to reject off here. But obviously, he still got that scenario. Yep. Wow, pay attention to this wick on the trend line. Anyways, I'll be right back. I gotta use the bathroom real quick. Be right back. All right. Oh. It takes a while to level up. Remember, I started off with $10. I was excited over $10 trades 2.5 years ago. What's up, Vig? Thanks for the follow there. You know what? Is it time to enter another trade? I think it is. I think it is. Another Kangaroo Tail. Oh, this thing's gonna... It looks like it's gonna dump. Look at the bearish divergence from this point here. Hell, I'll enter another one. Could be dangerous, but I'm going with my gut here. I see the divergence popping up. We got 2 Kangaroo Tails. All right, from this point, from this high here, from here, to me it looks like it's gonna dump. Is there any reason to believe it would not dump here? For the small one, I better put in a small stop. I better put a stop in above that wick. To me, it looks like it's gonna dump, but just to protect myself, I will put a small stop in there for the 3rd position I entered. I don't have a stop on my 4th position here, but I might. And we actually got a little tiny M. Okay. Look how small that M is, though. Dude, look at this volume shifting. Let's go. I think it's gonna dump past there. Ricky, we got news hitting right now? Sideways for now business. Yeah, true, it is about 742. I think eventually it will drop. It will drop today. Question is, will it drop? And will I survive the stop losses? What's FOMC doing anyways? I honestly don't even know what time FOMC is or how big it is actually. Like, I'm not too heavy on the news, so that's why I don't really understand what about FOMC and all that. What time is this meeting though? Okay, so okay. FOMC basically just doing like interest rate shit and like that. So if it's bad news, oh, 3 p.m. So we got a ways. So if it's bad news, then we're obviously gonna probably go down, right? Yeah, I agree there, Ricky. What happens in that news is gonna impact this trade, definitely. Wow, this divergence is getting more steep. Yeah, I'm good at holding trades, but I'm not good at paying attention to the news on the big hikes. But I'll work on it this year. I'll work on it. This is the downtime I need to just hop on Call of Duty during these times. That's why when I get the new PC built, yo, during times like this, we're gonna call it intermission and we're gonna be streaming Call of Duty. One thing that does excite me, RuCoin. RuCoin, guys. Yeah, it looks like somebody 5 hours ago for 113 bucks, they got 296,000 Ru. I'm gonna tell you guys right now, if you want to be on a ground floor of a crypto before it's listed on bigger exchanges, that's how you do it. You use PancakeSwap. I'll close 500 on this trade. That's why we have diamond hands. We just hold. But if you guys want to break the price down, if you want to pick up 1,000,000 Ru, it's going to cost you $386. Let's hold for 500. Beautiful. Beautiful drop. Now I just need probably about 500 more pips. 500 more pips, and I can close 500. Yeah, you said FOMC holds 8 regularly scheduled meetings per year. At these meetings, the committee reviews economic and financial conditions to determines an appropriate stance of monetary policy. Yeah, we're gonna close 500 on this trade. I'm not gonna be phased about trying to set break evens. Let it ride. I'm going with my analysis 500. Oh, that was you, Torino? Hell yeah, man. Hell yeah, man. Yeah, especially if it would be a Kangaroo Tail too, Ricky. That would be the perfect scenario. A Kangaroo Tail after FOMC. So after FOMC, let's pay attention to some hourly candles, 15-minute candles. Yeah, I'll definitely be looking for. Is that why your name is Ricky the Wiki? Let's go all the way back. Let's go to the order book of Rue from the beginning. So check this out. For 46 cents when I launched it, you could have gotten 338,000 Rue for 46 cents. Now here, the price is going up big. This is still early. Still early. But this is a calc. I'm going to pull something out right now. I'm going to excite you guys right now. This is why you should pledge at least a minimum of $100 of Rue coin and let that shit ride. Hold on, I got to pull up. Hold on. I gotta see the price, the current price of Rue. Current price of Rue. It's supposed to be automatic updated, but basically as a calculator, I got programmed. I learned some fucking JavaScript. Okay, don't ask me. I didn't know anything about JavaScript last year, but now I do. I watched a YouTube video. So I'm gonna click File Save. So now I locked in Rue coin price. Now what that's gonna do is, here's where the magic happens. Here's where the magic happens. It's not on the site yet. This is an early glimpse, but no crypto site in the world has a calculator built like this. Check this out. 1 second. Where the fuck's it at? Manual. Alright, so current price. If you put $100 in today, and you held, that's a $258,000 value. What if you just did $1? Okay, what if you, I mean, shit. Which opportunity? But you could put $1 in, hold it. $10, $100. If you wanna be a Rue whale, I mean, you drop 1,000. You drop 1,000. I'm not recommending it, but this is the number. I'd recommend minimum $100. We're gonna call it pledge. We're calling it a pledge since it is for charity. We are creating a blockchain ecosystem for charity. But I'll say right here, the amount of Rue, the amount you see above, is a hypothetical result based on the amount of Rue you want to pledge. And if you held your Rue until it reached $1 per Rue, due to human emotion, 99% of people will not be able to hold that long. Rue, however, suggest you maintain diamond hands until we reach the fucking moon. Let's go. Let's go. It's only on PancakeSwap right now, just. I was gonna go with Uniswap and Ethereum, but Ethereum is too expensive and Binance Smart Chain is better. It's just better. I'll pull up the pancakes. If you don't know how PancakeSwap works, I suggest watching like a quick 5 or 6 minute video of how PancakeSwap works. I do expect a little push up because we do got bullish divergence. But if you're familiar with PancakeSwap, the best decentralized exchange right now, I think it's better than Uniswap. I was a fan of Uniswap, but after seeing PancakeSwap and Binance Smart Chain fees, I mean, it was a no-brainer. But basically, you need the BNB coin. You can easily get BNB on Binance.us or swapping Bitcoin on Exodus wallet for BNB. Well, I tell you what, this is how money is made in crypto, by getting into projects before they're listed on CoinGecko, before they're listed on CoinMarketCap. If anybody wants to be a little quick about it, I do have an application into CoinGecko. I am just waiting for CoinGecko to email me back and say what I need to do in order to be officially listed on a crypto site. Because once we're listed, I mean, once I am listed, people are going to discover RueCoin. People that have no idea who I am. No, you see that? What the hell? That was a sign right there. We just got a St. Jude. I just saw an ad for St. Jude. That's a sign. That's a sign. No, we don't care about the Surface Pro. We saw a St. Jude charity ad right up there. Get the fuck out of here. Is Rue? Okay, that's 24. I was like, shit, Rue's crazy. Yeah, okay, CoinGecko finally removed the other ones, but yo, if we do the percentage gain on RueCoin in the last 30 days, we are number 2 crypto gainer in CoinGecko. The number 2 crypto gainer if we get listed. If we get listed. Once we get listed though, to be on this gainer, wait, this says 24 up volume. Okay, so we need a good amount of volume, but once we get there, I mean, we're gonna be one of the biggest crypto gainers. Really, all's we got a Shiba. How much was Shiba? Yeah, we're gonna beat Shiba this year. We're gonna beat Shiba. Sounds crazy, doesn't it? Percentage calculator. So since I started with 282, let me post the site. It's very, very early stage just, but I will send all the info here. Here is the website, and I also suggest if anybody is interested about RueCoin, do not buy it yet. Buy it after you watch my video and you learn about my story. If you feel the vibes, then put $100 in. Do not put your life savings in it. There's all the info. So plans for Rue next month. Get the roadmap done. Get the white paper done. And get our first charity listed on the site, proving that we gave a charity coins already. So we started at $282 market cap. And if we go to 209 million in under a year, not if, but when, I gotta start taking the word if out of my vocabulary. How much gain is that? Which, see, that would be a 74 million% gain. 74 million% gain from 282 to 209 million if we can do it. Not if, goddammit. When we can do it in under a year. What do you say there, Ricky? Should we go for 2 billion market cap? Shit. It says that we got 82 viewers, so imagine if we have like 8,000 viewers. I mean, shit. Pretty boring. Just watch this shit go sideways. Wait. No, I didn't. I entered 209 million. Yeah, that was straight 209 million, not billion. 209, and we put 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 209 million. 74 million% gain. Looks like that bullish divergence is kicking in. Suggest everybody to watch that Rucoin video. Watch the first 2 minutes. Find out about my story. You'll be surprised. Oh shit, Gala. Gala was one of the top gainers. Damn. I was glad to have gotten on Gala on the bottom. In Gala, I trust. In fact, it's 8 o'clock. We're going to do a 10,000 Rucoin giveaway right now while we wait for this trade. You either smoke us or eventually trickle down. One second. Jack, you're gonna come down the rabbit hole. You're gonna come down the rabbit hole soon. Trust me, I was in your position at one time. I didn't know anything about any kind of coin. In your case, it would be easier to just buy Bitcoin and go through the process of getting Bitcoin. Like, honestly, Cash App is probably the easiest way for a new person to be introduced to Bitcoin and crypto. Jack Huckins, I would start with downloading the app called Trust Wallet. Trust Wallet. You'll see a blue shield with kind of a white looking icon. Arshad, how is you said Yushi coin or Yoshi? Yeah. Yep, exactly, Business. That's what I was wondering. As you know, there's going to be there's going to be breakout traders putting in buys right now. New sells are going to be coming in right now. Cannot see it. Yushi, huh? Yushi, huh? Let's go to the daily on this. Looks like Yushi's on sale. Discount. Trying to see if the daily chart will load up. Oh yeah, this shit was a pump and dump. Pure pump and dump. This shit was a pure pump and dump. These fuckers took profits after 5 days. Created by the most crazy daily bearish Kangaroo Tail you can ever see. My god. Same pattern over and over. Okay, so Yushi Moon from NFTs. Huh, looks like they actually have a decent platform. Pretty decent, actually. See, I think it's inevitable for any coin to eventually hit the mania stage, like, considering where it started. Damn, it started way, way, way down. Yeah, this was when the coin launched, then boom. It mooned up, went down, consolidated, shot back up. But what happens in crypto, guys? What happens in crypto year after year? What eventually happens to a good project? What happens? Right? Just like what Bitcoin did, just like what NASDAQ on the monthly did. What always eventually happens? These are the kind of buys that you want to look for in crypto. After a 90% drop, yeah, between 90 to 95% drop is about the time to start looking for buys in cryptos. Unless, of course, you're launching a coin. Gala also. If anybody is looking to buy something also, I'll take a look at here on Gala. Gala, where are we at? Tether, I think it was on Tether I did. So I think Gala is going to be a really good buy. I don't know if the bottom is in yet, though. But Gala hit an 82% drop with some really, really good bullish divergence. So I think eventually Gala will do a move here, but I think it has some room to go back down a little bit. Harshad, what did you buy? Oh, you bought. You made 400? Nice. Did you cash out or leave 20% of it running? Yeah, anything that drops 90 to 95%, if it has divergence, is a good buy. Shit, if you put on 20, how much would 20 bucks get? Let's see. If you put 20 bucks into Rucoin today, and you held, that's not bad. This calculator will be on the website. And it's going to automatically change based on current price and where market cap goal is going to be. It's been pretty rough with this trade. Ain't doing shit. You hold until Rue reaches $1. 209 million market cap. That's what you do. This calculator is only based on current market cap based on the goal of 209 million. So if our goal is 209 million market cap, the calculator takes that number and divides it by current market cap, and it gives us this output. So when root 10x's, I mean, obviously the multiplier is going to keep going down and down and down. So I think, don't ask me how I came up with the calculator idea. I mean, it just popped in my head. It just popped in my head. Got it programmed. I mean, it's basically no different than, take that metaphor and compare it to MetaTrader 4. You know, you put a trade in, and you want to hold that trade until it hits, right? Well, Rucoin's first mission is to hit $1. When it hits $1, I believe the mania phases get a hit, and we could. I mean, anything is possible in the world of crypto. If I believe in it enough, if enough people believe in me, if they see a transparent creator, Rucoin can do a lot. Can do more than I originally imagined. Like, the first step is given those first donations. Second step would be, if Rucoin could make enough money, maybe it could be the first crypto to actually fund a real clinical trial that costs $10 million. Like, you think about those numbers, that's how you get the world's attention. That's how you do big fucking shit. Give back before you receive. The more people you help, the more money you'll make in your life. So yeah, we only need 200 million. Like, we're not asking for billions. 209 million isn't a bad target to go for, considering where we're at with 209 million supply. Plus, I'm the only crypto creator in the world that goes live every day. There ain't nobody. This is from the ground up, guys. But I'm gonna hop off stream here in a few minutes. Probably gonna take a while for this trade to move. I don't know, maybe. I've had a couple people come to me, say they talked to their friends, saying, hey, looks like, my friend said it looks like a scam. I'm like, so? Did you marry your friend? What does your friend's opinion have to do with what you think is right? Yeah, I'll see if this stop gets hit before I get off, actually. Stop hit. Looks like today's going to be a $200 loss day. Let me see. I need to put a stop in for the smaller one. Okay, I wasn't really planning on, like, risking 100 on there. Tough spot, actually, here. I really don't want to lose 100 on that one. That one's 100. That one's 100. You know, I don't. That's making the risk reward not good on that second one. This one's actually a tough spot because I don't want to take double losses up here that big because that was a second position. And by keeping that stop there, my risk reward is shit now. If it goes drawdown in 50, I'll close. If it goes to, I mean, it probably is though, honestly. Yeah, just to keep my risk reward, I think I gotta take a $50 hit on here no matter what. Tough spot though, tough spot. Nah, I'm still gonna take like a $200 or $300 loss today, maybe. 82 out 3, but our equity's 8,000, so it's not looking good right now. Do got a little bit of divergence, but I don't think that means anything right now. Yeah, see, I'm down 171 right now. I don't really want to lose 400 there. I'm content with losing 300. Definitely, I don't want to lose 400. We're already down 171 right now, though. That'll put me at 200. So I'll be down if that hits stop loss, I will be down 230. And then I'm gonna have some decision making, unfortunately. Unfortunately. It's been a struggle on my $8,000 account. Like I'm on a hump where I just cannot get over 8,500. Like I'll go on a losing streak, then all of a sudden I'll get it all back. Then I'll go on a losing streak, then all of a sudden go right back up. Might get lucky here. I mean, we have 5 candles going sideways. Nah. God damn it. Alright, guys. Oh, fuck. Down 224. I gotta close. I'll take the $300 hit, guys, today. That's gonna be it for today's stream. I'll keep the mini running just in case it does drop and I'll be able to get my money back. But besides that, the stream is down 300 today. One of the heavier losses I will take on stream. One of the heavier losses for sure. Alright, y'all. I'll catch y'all tomorrow morning. Tomorrow morning we'll be back at it. Time for for some Call of Duty time. Let me change the balance though before I leave. Well, there is still hope. I do got the mini running. I mean, if we get the turnaround, I'll be break even. Courtney, what did you say?